Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to make a printable journal on Canva. The first thing you want to do once you have created your Canva account, which you can do for completely free, you're going to tap on the search bar at the top of the page. From there, you can type in journal and you're going to be selecting journal. You can select the size journal that you like to create. So for example's sake, I'll just select journal pages in general. After you have done that, you'll be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you will see numerous templates that you can choose from. So for example, by hovering over this, you can see that it has 8 different pages. And by scrolling down, you will see different templates that you can choose from. Once you have found a template that you like, all you'll need to do is select it. Keep in mind that any one of the templates that you see with the crown that says Pro, that means that you would have to be a paid subscriber on Canva to use that particular journal. So what we're going to do, we're going to scroll back up. If it is a case that you would like to use this journal, you could select it. But I'm just going to be tapping on this one for example's sake. So let's say this one. And I'm just going to be using that journal page. So I'll tap on customize this template. After you have selected customize this template, you can see how it looks. And I'm just going to be duplicating the pages. So I'll be duplicating the pages right here by tapping on duplicate. And let's say, for example, I want my journal to have 5 of these pages. So you can see them right here. After doing that, I want to add some more pages with different style. So I'll tap on add page. Then you'll go over to the left hand menu option and you're going to select design. After selecting design, from there you can also tap on journal pages once more and you can see different templates that you can use again. So you could select a different template or a different page style. So for example, let's say I would like to add this page. I could select it right there so you can see week check-in. So let's say, for example, I would like to add 7 of these pages, and then the 8th page would be the check-in page. So you can do that, you can keep on repeating that. So you could do 7 pages again, and then the 8th page would be the check-in page if you want. You could also add different type of pages. So for example, like a self-care page, you could tap on self-care right there. And we're going to be changing the page background as we want everything to match. So you're going to select the page, then tap on the color box at the top right here. And for example's sake, you could change the page background to, let's say, this color or a milder color. You can see different options that you can choose from. After doing that, you can go over to the top right hand corner once you're finished creating your journal. And by the way, to create a journal cover, you'll tap on add page. And again, we'll tap on design. So we're going to go back. And then you'll simply tap right where you see journal pages. And you're going to clear that. And you could type in journal covers and select the covers right there. After you have done that, you can see different layouts that you can choose from. And the one that I'll be using is just this simple one right here. So you'll select this. And you could add any other personal touches you want. So for example, you could move the text. I could also tap on text from the left hand menu option. And then from there, for example, I could type in simple answers right here. So I could do that. And I could also change the text style by tapping right where you see Canva Sans. So I would select the entire text, tap on Canva Sans from the top. And then from there, I could select a different font style. So for example, I could select this font style or any one of the other font styles as you can see right here. So once it is to your liking, you're going to go over to the top right hand corner, tap on share, then select download. After selecting download, you want to change it from PNG. And you're going to be selecting either PDF standard or PDF print. After you have done that, you'll tap on download. Once you have selected download, you can see your journal is being downloaded right there. Once it has been downloaded, you can select it. After it has been selected, you can see how it looks. Now what we're going to do, we're going to tap on the printer icon at the top right hand corner. Then from there, you could select the printer that you'll be using. After you have selected the printer, you can tap on save right there, and then you can start printing. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.